भाई साहब, भाई साहब, भाई साहब, मेरे कुत्ते को देखा है आपने? बहन जी, मेरे कुत्ते को देखा है आपने? मैम, मिस, आपने मेरे डॉग को देखा है? मेरे पास एक डॉग है और मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है। वो आई थिंक वो घर से भाग गया है और वो मिल नहीं रहा है और पता नहीं कहाँ है वो। So hi guys, I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Arm Decor Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. Presently based in Delhi NCR. Right now I'm taking a fantastic walk somewhere around in the city, and this is one of the examples. You could have a dog like her, a stray, an adopted one, or your own dog which you can't find because somebody's opened the door in the morning and the dog has disappeared, the cat has disappeared. So, what do you do? So, I don't know if you know this or not, but you have technology, which is a great example, and we've got a like a we've got a collar which is specifically for animals. मतलब हिंदी में यह है कि जानवरों के लिए एक कॉलर है जो आप अपने कुत्ते पे, कैट पे, या अगर आपके पास गाय है उस पर भी आप लगा सकते हैं। आपके पास अगर भैंस है उस पर आप लगा सकते हैं। थोड़े से एक्सपेंसिव है मगर आप लगाइए उन्हें, बिकॉज मैं सोच रही थी ये कि ये मेरे साथ भी हो सकता है। आई माइट हैव दिस सिचुएशन सम टाइम। आई एम नॉट एबल टू ट्रेस माई डॉग. I used to have a cat as well. I'm not able to find them. So what do I do? Looking around and stuff, and helplessly searching and everything. So you could spend a little extra money and get hold of this tracker which they have. It is not readily available, but you could place an order and stuff, and it works very well. And you're able to track the movement of the dog and everything, or the cat or whatever, and you're able to find those. So there is a doctor I know who had it for his pug. So we were having a chat about it yesterday and today, and he told me that he has one which he's ordered. It costed him about 8,000 or 9,000 and everything, and he's happy and he's secure and he's sure that there's no unwanted stress, or there's no, एज दे से हिंदी में कहते हैं ना वर्ड, ये टेंशन जो यूज़ करते हैं, नेगेटिव वर्ड, या वरी कहते हैं जिसको, जो तो ये सब चीज़ें जो है ये होंगी नहीं अगर आपके पास ये ट्रैकर होगा। तो अभी एक और है इधर, अभी मैंने इसको डॉग बिस्किट खिलाया है, ये अपने आप को क्लीन कर रही है। कायरा, तो ये भी है। तो ये भी अगर इसको भी मैं लगा दूँ तो फिर मैं ढूंढ सकती हूँ ये कहाँ पे है। और ऐसे इज़ इफ़ आई हैव अ कॉलर और अ ट्रैकर, I'm able to figure out where my animal is, and I can sleep peacefully. I can walk around peacefully, and I can be at home or anywhere peacefully because I know the movement of my cat or my pet dog or my stray, or whatever. Okay, so I thought I'll just share this. This is a little offbeat and stuff. I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of Arm Decor Design and everything. We are in the business of designing stuff which is for home and office decor and interior solutions. We do furniture, we do corporate gifting items and stuff. And a lot of people get kicked about this. They get amused. They wonder, why am I carrying a golf stick? They've never seen a lady walk in a neighborhood or a place with a golf stick. This comes handy. So I'd been playing golf and stuff. I discontinued that, but I use this to shoo away any unnecessary chase by the other big strays or animals or whatever. And I've also trained these strays. They listen to me and stuff, so I use this. So avoid doing that. मेरे को देख के आपको ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं तो इसलिए करती हूँ बिकॉज मेरे जितने भी डंडे यूज़ करें हैं वो काम नहीं आए हैं, इसको देख के घबरा जाते हैं। सो द टिप इज़, और या दूसरी चीज़ ये कि अभी मैं जो देख रही हूँ वो ये है कि अभी सड़क के बीच में एक, आप देख सकते हैं ये सड़क के बीच में है ये, और 3-4 दिन पहले, 3-4 days back also, there was another black dog on the street. I stopped my car. I was wondering what happened. I got a little, inquisitive, and I was I was wondering what happened. And my concern was, we've had a case of a car going over one of the dogs. So the first thought that came to my mind was, I hope it's not happened to her. So अगर आप सड़क पे, if you see on the street some animals sitting, try and stop your cars and try and shoo them away and stuff. If you know the pets, great. If you know the stray is great. If you don't know them, without hitting them and stuff, just give them a soft nudge or just stop the car and start beeping, with the horn of your car. गाड़ी को रोकिए, हॉर्न मारिए और भगाइए इनको, बिकॉज इन्हें खुद ही नहीं पता होता कि इनके ऊपर से कभी भी कोई भी गाड़ी जा सकती है. अब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये मिस कायरा जो है वो इधर हमारी धूप सेक रही है, और ये रूफस, ये कायरा, ये देखिए आप कायरा. सो शी इज़ बेसिकली enjoying herself. इतनी गर्मी है but still, ये देखिए कायरा. So in a nutshell, try and get hold of these. So your concern and everything about the safety of your animal will not be a issue for you or your family or for your children and stuff. And you have to order that and stuff. I'm not promoting it. I'm only sharing it in the interest of animals, because my mind also works a little way forward, thinking that what happens next if by chance there is a situation like that happens. So I'm Jasleen Kapani. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, jasleen.kapani.im@gmail.com, and jasleen.kapani.office@gmail.com. Take some walks in the neighborhood and stuff. Give me a few days and I'll be sharing on my health and stuff, and you will know that it's a good idea to avoid too many medicines and stuff, and I will explain the reason once I'm a little better than what I am right now. So hold your horses and stuff, and take a second or a third opinion for whatever diagnosis you have, because my story will actually make you question a few people and stuff, and the usage of the word depression, anxiety, sadness, trauma and stuff, because in many places it's just overhyped and oversold and stuff, unless you've been told by a specialist. And believe me, I'm not saying that all doctors don't do a good job, but I have seen this in my own case, wrong diagnosis happening to me and stuff. And I know for sure that using these words so very easily and so very casually is not a good idea. Your children pick it up, people around you pick it up and stuff. It becomes a fashion or a trend of talking like it and stuff. And then you'll see that half the time the conversation or the discussion is only around it. And the person may want to move on and stuff, but can't, because they are so used to that kind of lingo and stuff like that. If you're surrounded by industry people, or if you come from that particular industry and you understand it, it's great. But casually using those terms and stuff is highly not recommended and advised. So I'm Jasleen Kapani, and you can reach me. And thank you so much for praying for me and stuff. As you can see, I'm moving. I'm pretty active and stuff, but I hold my horses back and stuff. So stay hydrated. Take care of your diet and stuff, because in Delhi stomach infection is in, and people have been rushed to the hospital. 7 people now, 7 people I know have already had it. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to tell you in advance that stay hydrated, exercise, take rest, and have fresh food and stuff, and avoid having anything which doesn't look good from local markets and stuff, because the weather's like that and it may affect you. Yeah. So अगर आपको कुछ और इन्फॉर्मेशन वगैरह चाहिए तो आप गूगल कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू गूगल अबाउट द डॉग्स and the animal collars and stuff like that, you can always Google is what I just said, okay, in Hindi. Yeah. So take care, love and luck, and enjoy yourself. Have fun, have a blast. Hakuna Matata, Simba. Stay upbeat, stay happy, stay joyful, stay fun, and even if you're not well and stuff, there's always something to be enjoying and stuff. So do that, okay. So love and luck, and bye bye. Cheers, yeah.